Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get like 10,000 gold or cash on Jurassic World the game. So go over to settings, and as you can see, it says enter your promo code. So I'm going to show you guys a website where you can actually get codes. So here's the site, guys. It's called lootbuy.com. So on this site, all you got to do is go over to the tab that says rewards and just type in Jurassic. And as you can see, Jurassic World the game, hard cash code, unlock. So I'm going to unlock it. I'm going to go ahead and press copy. And then I'm going to go back into the Jurassic game. And I'm just going to paste in the code. And we're going to see if it works. So I just pressed redeem and it says verifying code. So let's see if it works. So as you can see, code redeemed, $10,000 cash added to my account. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the points on the Loot By site. So you go to the Earn tab and you see these apps, and then just download them. So like Sazzle says you get 60 points, and then Travel Town you get 70, and you got to reach level 10. So it's like a game. So I just press continue, and then open it up and play it till level 10. So just make sure you do like 2 of these. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. So be sure to subscribe. Just make sure you do like 2 apps. Should get you enough points to get the reward. And I think all the rewards are like 100 points or 110 points. So they're overall pretty cheap. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This site has a ton of other things. So as you can see, we got like Patreon, Sheen, Stickware Legacy. Pretty cool variety. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, definitely try this if you want to get Jurassic World money.